こんにちは。This is the International Student Division of the Career Support Center. Congratulations on your enrollment. I am sure that you feel it is too early to talk about job hunting. Please do not think in that way. In this guidance, including the reasons for this, I will explain about what is career preparation like in Japan. Today's contents are as follows. This information is all essential though, especially I would like you to pay attention on number 2 for today. These are Japan's unique employment practices. How many of them do you know? I will explain very briefly about the system of long-time employment and simultaneous recruiting of new graduates. This illustration shows Japanese simultaneous recruiting system. On the left is Japanese practice and on the right is practice in other countries. In other countries, workers enter companies by aiming for positions. When the position is no longer available or when they gain experience and want to move up to a higher position, they often leave the company. In Japan, however, students enter the workforce immediately after graduating from school without interruption. We call this practice simultaneous in recruiting of new graduates. Most of students graduate in March and enter the company in April. Then, through personnel transfers, promotions, and advancements within one company, they gain various experiences and work until retirement, like 65 years old or so. At your job search, this practice exists as a prerequisite. Furthermore, firing employee is strictly limited by law. Therefore, companies are very cautious when hiring new graduates. Since it's expected that you will be active in the company for a long period of time, company HR evaluate your personality and potential rather than skills that can be acquired in a few months or a few years. They are very careful in their evaluations because they target even invisible aspects of a person's personality. Interviews alone can take up to 3 to 5 times. Here I recommend you to enrich your student life as much as possible and develop yourself as much as possible during the school days. I am sure that all of you have already done various efforts and experience. As a result, you are here now. With such ambition, please keep challenging various things in Japan too. Some of you may have already noticed that you need to explain your personality and potential in your own words at job hunting. We hope that you now understand how much Japanese language ability is required for this purpose. This survey shows that 70% or more of companies require JLPT N2 level or higher during the selection process. These are few companies allows English during the selection process. However, if you have Japanese language skills, you will definitely can access more options. Please improve your Japanese language skills. This is a standard job search schedule. As I explained earlier, in Japan, most students graduate in March and enter the company in April. Therefore, it is normal to start job hunting 1 year before of graduation or even earlier, depends on the person. As shown in this figure, including internship opportunities, those who enrolled in October may become aware of job hunting around May, which is before the summer break of M1. By the way, internship practice in Japan are also unique. The purpose of internship and contents of internship will be different from internships in your home country. An important difference is that in Japan, you can get a job without an internship. This is because even if you do not have specific job skills, your personality and potential for growth will be evaluated. However, international students may feel uneasy about joining a company without an internship. Therefore, Aichi Prefecture provides internship opportunities exclusively for international students during summer and spring breaks. We will be holding an information session in October. So if you are interested, please join us. Here, please remember that job hunting in Japan starts more than 1 year before your graduation. It also takes time for you to prepare documents. To summarize so far, there are 3 things I would like you to remember today. They are: number 1, job hunting begins 1 year before your graduation. Number 2, please enrich your college experience and understand yourself deeply. Number 3, high Japanese language skills are required at job hunting. Finally, I will explain how to use our services. These are main services for international students. The most popular services are individual career consultation, career lunch mixer, and job fairs. In the case of international students, the students who use university support are more likely to be able to find employment in Japan. Please see the following survey results. We divided international students into 2 groups. Those who have registered with NU NAVI and those who have not registered with NU NAVI or do not know of its existence, and asked them about their career decision status as of the end of June this year. NU NAVI is our Career Support Center's platform. This is where it all begins. As you see, the students who have registered with NU NAVI is more likely to success in their job search. If you are interested in finding a job in Japan, please register with NU NAVI and make the most of our support. Here is how to register NU NAVI. We encourage you to register today at this time. An English guide will be available within the next few months. Please wait for a while. You can access to the supports in blue by registering as a user on IG Consortium website. Here we are going to post job information from companies who want to recruit international students. This is the most popular site on this website. You can learn about seniors' job hunting experiences. At last, please be friend with us on Facebook so that you can access useful information for international students. Thank you for watching the career guidance till the end. Today, I have given you the basics, but of course, there are also exceptions. There are companies that hire year-round, companies that recruit in English, companies that actively recruit international students, and many others. We have knowledge and support, especially for international students in Nagoya University. We look forward to your visit and participation.